Do you know how the future of transportation would look like? Do you know in future you would be able to reach your far-flung destination in a blink of eye? In this video, we will be discussing the future of transportation technology, including self-driving cars and flying cars. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. After the creation of wheel, transportation has advanced significantly. Today, we can travel everywhere in the world, and for that, thanks to cars, trains, aircrafts, and ships. But as technology develops, travel will likely become quicker, safer, and more effective. Self-driving cars. Self-driving cars are one of the most exciting advancements in transportation technology. They are without a doubt the form of transportation of the future, even though they are not yet widely used. As they can react more quickly than a human driver, self-driving cars have the potential to significantly reduce the frequency of accidents on the road. They can also improve driving efficiency by allowing drivers to pass one another more frequently and ease traffic congestion. Assuring the safety and dependability of self-driving automobiles is one of the major problems they face. Although several businesses are working to create self-driving cars, there is no doubt that self-driving cars will spread in popularity over the coming years. Despite these difficulties, self-driving vehicles are now being developed by many automakers, and it won't be long until they are widely used. Electric vehicles. Electric vehicles are a significant advancement in transportation technology. They are becoming more and more popular, even though they are still not as widespread as conventional gas-powered cars. Compared to conventional cars, electric vehicles provide a number of benefits, including fewer operating costs and pollutions. We may anticipate seeing an increase in the number of electric vehicles on the road as battery technology advances. The range of electric vehicles is one of their biggest problems. Even though many electric cars have a range of up to 300 miles on a single charge, this is still less than a conventional gas-powered car's range. Governments all over the world are providing incentives for consumers to switch to electric automobiles, and numerous automakers are making significant investments in the creation of electric vehicles. Flying cars. For many years, flying automobiles were a common feature of science fiction, but recently they have started to exist in real life. Many businesses are working on creating flying cars which could change transportation even if they are not yet publicly available. The ability of flying cars to significantly cut down on travel time between cities is one of their main advantages. Flying vehicles could be helpful for emergency services as well because they could quickly travel to far off regions. Flying cars could be utilized in the event of a catastrophe or other emergency to deliver supplies and workers to the impacted area. They will definitely contribute to the development of transportation in the future, and many businesses are developing flying automobiles, and some of them are already now conducting testing. Flying cars are likely to become more prevalent as technology advances and costs decrease. Hyperloop. A cutting-edge mode of transportation called the Hyperloop has the power to completely transform intercity travel. It is a high-speed transportation system that moves people and goods through vacuum-sealed tubes using pods. Many businesses are working to construct the Hyperloop, a technology that has been the subject of discussion for a while. Elon Musk first suggested the Hyperloop in 2013. A system that would take passengers from San Francisco to Los Angeles in under 30 minutes was what he had in mind. The device would comprise of pods that could move up to 700 miles per hour in vacuum sealed tubes. The, the magnetic levitation theory is the foundation of the Hyperloop technology, which implies magnets to raise the pods off the track and move them ahead. Several companies have been developing the Hyperloop since the initial proposal. The creation of a Hyperloop system to move people and goods between cities has been ongoing. Drones. The use of drones, a rapidly evolving technology, could alter how we move people and things. In the future, drones might be used to carry items, send medical supplies to far off locations, and even move people across cities. Yet, there are a number of difficulties that must be overcome, including regulatory restrictions and safety issues. But drones have the potential to significantly lower transportation costs, speed up delivery, and expand access to essential goods and services. We can anticipate seeing more and more drones employed in transportation as technology develops. That's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting. If you did, please like and share it with others. Also, please consider subscribing to our channel and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our new uploads. If you know anything about these technologies or you have any update, please mention in the comment box. Thank you so much.